As we have already started the deciphering of the legal analysis of the Supreme Court judgment, today the Supreme Court of Pakistan has delivered a judgment in criminal petition number 157 of 2024, number 894 of 2024, filed by Saeed Ahmed and Noor respectively against the state. The petitioner were granted ad-interim bail by the court, which was later confirmed. Facts of the case. The case involved a dispute between two groups, the Buzdars and the Lagharis, which led to the registration of multiple FIRs against each other. The petitioner Saeed Ahmed and Noor were accused of being involved in firing incident that resulted into death of one person and injury to another. The petitioners claimed that they were not present at the scene of a crime and had taken a plea of alibi, stating that they were in Karachi at time of the incident. Investigation and trial. During the investigation, the police collected evidence including call data, record, CDR and CCTV footage, which suggested that petitioners were indeed in Karachi at time of the incident. The investigation officer placed the petitioners in column number 2 of the challan, indicating that they were not required for further investigation or probe. The trial court, however, took cognizance of the matter against the petitioner and the trial proceedings commenced. High Court decision. The petitioner approached the High Court of Sindh bench as Sakhar for pre-arrest bail, but their application was dismissed. The High Court decision was challenged before the Supreme Court. Supreme Court decision. Supreme Court, after hearing the counsel for the petitioner, the complainant and the Additional Prosecutor General Sindh, perused the available record and observed that the apprehension of the petitioners about their arrest by police at the behest of complainant with ulterior motives to create humiliation, unjustified harassment could not be held vague or baseless. The court noted that the investigation had been completed and no recovery of firearm had been effected from the petitioners. The court also observed that the guilt or innocence of the petitioner was yet to be determined at the trial after recording evidence. Ruling. Supreme Court, while granting leave to appeal, converted the petitioner into appeal and accepted them. The ad interim pre-arrest bail granted to the petitioner was confirmed. The court's observation was tentative in nature and would not influence the case at trial. Key takeaways. The Supreme Court confirmed that ad interim pre-arrest bail granted to petitioners Saeed Ahmed and Noor Muhammad. The court observed that the apprehension of the petitioner about their arrest by police at the behest of the complainant with ulterior motive to create humiliation and unjustified harassment could not be held vague or baseless. The court noted that the investigation has been completed and recovery of firearm had been effected from the petitioner. Court observed that the guilt or innocence of the petitioner was yet to be determined at the trial after recording evidence. Judgment cited several cases including Salman Mushtaq vs. State 2024 SCMR 14, Ehtisham Ali vs. State 2023 SCMR 975, Farhad Hussain vs. State 2023 SCMR 364, Gulshan Ali Sulangi vs. State 2020 SCMR 249, Muhammad Sadiq vs. State 2015 SCMR 1394, and Rana Muhammad Arshad Muhammad Rafiq PLD 2019 SC Supreme Court 427. That's all.